How to do LUMA fade transition. To begin, I added some videos to my timeline and I want to create LUMA fade transitions. Drag the second video under the first video so they have some overlap. Now go to Effects panel and search for Gradient Wipe. Drag and drop Gradient Wipe effect into your first video. Now move the playhead at the start of where videos overlap and select the first video and go to Effect Controls panel. Click on Stopwatch next to Transition Completion to create a starting keyframe. Move the playhead to the end of overlap and set Transition Completion to 100 to create the second keyframe. Now we have it. To soften the transition, increase transition softness to 50. It is a good LUMA fade in transition, but let's say you want to fade out instead of fade in transition. To do this, drag the third video in top track above the second video so they overlap. Drag and drop Gradient Wipe effect into your third video and select it, then move the playhead to the start of overlap and go to Effect Controls. Set Transition Completion to 100 and click on Stopwatch next to Transition Completion to create a starting keyframe. Move the playhead to the end of the overlap and set Transition Completion to 0 to create the second keyframe. Also, set softness to 50. Now let's disable Gradient Wipe effects for both the first and third clips and use another way. Put all the clips on the same track after each other. This time drag the Gradient Wipe transition which is under Video Transitions into between your videos and click OK. Select the transitions and in Effect Controls, and make sure the alignment is set to center at cut. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.